At the University of Providence, we understand that continuing education can often seem like a continuing struggle. That's why we've developed a world-class online school dedicated to working health professionals. Founded in our mission to serve, the University of Providence provides healthcare workers an affordable opportunity to further their education while they work. Our industry-leading faculty applies real-world experience in the classroom. They provide online and face-to-face programming to ensure an immersive experience. Our faculty and staff are committed to building a community of health professionals dedicated to healing the world. That's why we partner with Providence hospitals to provide a variety of employment opportunities upon graduation. Because at the University of Providence, we believe continuing education is the key to unlocking your potential.